Welcome to our video on improving your insurance assessment business with drones. Today, we'll explore valuable resources to help you get started. First, let's dive into some essential books. Titles like Insurance Assessment with Drones by A.M.A.A. Raham and Drone-Based Insurance Assessment by L.T. Barasa offer comprehensive insights. Next, tune into informative podcasts such as The Drone Show and Drone Talk. These podcasts cover industry news, regulations, and technology advancements. For visual learners, YouTube videos like Insurance Assessment with Drones by DJI and Drone-Based Accident Scene Documentation by NVIDIA provide practical examples and footage. AI tools can significantly enhance your drone operations. Platforms like DJI Fly app and Drone Deploy offer automated flight modes, mapping, and reporting features. Consider enrolling in specialized courses to deepen your knowledge. Courses like Drone Pilot Ground School and DJI Drone Flight Training Program cover regulations, safety, and flight techniques. Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University's Drone Pilot Certificate Program is another excellent option, designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. We hope these resources help you elevate your insurance assessment business. Thank you for watching and happy flying!